Due to our pets' instinctual sensitivity to loud noises, pet owners everywhere need to be careful and gentle with their pets during thunderstorms and holidays. Pet owners need to remember that not all pets will act the same when confronted with loud and startling noises. Yes, some may run around wildly or crawl under the bed, others still may hide in corners or groom themselves excessively. If you notice your pet displaying odd behavior or acting upset, in general, the best thing to do is to redirect their attention to something different like a chew toy. Simply petting them may not help distract them enough to calm them down. If you know fireworks or a storm is coming, set up a safe place in your home for your pet. Fill it with their favorite toys and blankets. If they already have a favorite spot, set up a safe place there. Even if your pet is fine with louder noises at home, never take them to an unfamiliar place to witness them. Don't pull an animal out of hiding by force. They can become aggressive. Don't leave your pet at alone during a noisy event. Either find a friend to pet sit or stay home.
My feet don't cry like they did back